everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to choose categories on Kahoot. So from the home menu, we scroll all the way down, you see categories, then you have math, we have science. So under math you can also see the courses under math and the games you can play under math. We also have science, we have history, we have kindergarten, we have elementary, we have middle school, we have high school, we have tribal, we have geography, social and emotional learning. Just choose the one you want. Let's see what we got on the tribal. So you can see the courses you can learn on the tribal. We have Valentine's Day with Disney. Whoa, we have history, general knowledge and tribal. We have turning red. So many interesting ones. We have general tribal, and all of them require access pass. So you have to be a subscriber. You can also change the language if you don't want English, but this one is in English. You can change the grade. You can change so many things there. So these are the courses. You can see some free Kahoot here, free games you can play. This one you have to purchase it. This is free. Chocolate tribal is free. We have purchase, we have free and purchase. So you can go through them. Then you can see related categories also. General knowledge questions. Some are free, some are not. So you see tribals on them. Christmas, Halloween, different categories under that particular category of tribal. So let's go through them and choose the one you want and have fun. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.